Fly away to somewhere sunny, over top of all the gray clouds. Wait for me underneath the covers, knowing I may never come down. Here's some feather, it's no promise, a simple token of my love. And in good weather you can look up and remember me, 'cause it will never be. You can only be a fish in the sea, and though I'm tempted to drown by your side or force you to watch the sunrise, if you hold your breath like the day we met, then we can just forget. I like open spaces, and the daylight's my best friend. You only like dark spaces, and the night is when you come out to watch the stars. From behind that watery lens of yours, that's why it can't ever be. You can only be a fish in the sea, and though I'm tempted to drown by your side or force you to watch the sunrise, take this for what it is, a sign. If you're stuck in the water and I in the sky, you were never meant to be mine.